Welcome to our channel, where rare historical photos come to life. Every image tells a story, and we're here to share the ones that matter most. 4 generations in one picture, 1880s. A bus conductress at work on the top deck of an open-top bus in the snow during World War I. A family from the farm enjoying dinner, Tennessee's Claiborne County, 1940. A gas station from 1920. A group of smiling Victorian boys, 1898. A man convicted of murder is imprisoned in a wooden cage on a street in China. He will be left to die of thirst, starvation and exposure, 1930. A rubber beauty mask designed to eliminate wrinkles, massage the face and promote skin health from the 1920s. A soldier and his date, Boston, Massachusetts, 1940. A teenager holding his ghetto blaster, New York, 1980. A woman being shaved by civilians to publicly mark her as a collaborator, 1944. A young Susan Sarandon. Amazing 1980s fashion. An American soldier who lost his legs in World War I. Barefoot kids at a mobile book cart in the Appalachian Mountains. Bedouin woman with her child, Saudi Arabia, 1948. Betty Grable, Lauren Bacall and Marilyn Monroe on the set of How to Marry a Millionaire, 1953. Central Park, New York City, 1955. Charlie Chaplin on Wall Street, 1918. Confederate veterans at the 1938 Gettysburg Reunion. Contestants in a Dolly Parton lookalike competition in Phoenix, 1979. Couple viewing the Apollo 8 spacecraft launch, 1968. Sybil Shepherd and Martin Scorsese on the set of Taxi Driver, 1976. Dad is heading off to work as Mom takes care of the children and the household chores, 1955. David Hensley, young child crippled by polio with both legs in braces, soliciting funds in public fundraising, drive for a new polio hospital, 1948. Egyptian women walking down a busy street in Cairo, Egypt, 1950s. Elizabeth Taylor being dramatic at a boxing match in 1960. Espresso buffet in Budapest, Hungary. Eye clinic in Tainan, Taiwan, 1962. Family in front of shack home, Mays Avenue Camp, Oklahoma. Family walking out of supermarket store pushing grocery cart, 1950s. Farmers in front of the post office on Saturday afternoon, Linwood, July, 1940. Federico Caprilli demonstrates the skills of his horse as part of the esteemed Italian Cavalry School, 1906. Feeding the pigeons, street scene from Copenhagen, 1912. Flamenco Bar, Zeedijk, Amsterdam, 1960. Future President Theodore Roosevelt in his hunting gear, 1885. Gentleman Gunslinger, 1927. Grace Kelly leaves the MGM lot for the last time in 1956. Hank Aaron at home with his trophy case, 1963. Having a perm, 1950s. High school teenagers drive in Des Moines, Iowa, 1947. Home prices in the 1950s. How bodybuilders looked like in 1941. Ingrid Bergman. Kids protesting the DST, New York, 1939. King George V and Queen Mary with their 4 children, 1910s. Larry Jim Holm and his dog Dunk heading home after a long summer day of fishing in Oskaloosa, Iowa. Lauren Bacall with her husband Humphrey Bogart and their children, 1956. Linda Ronstadt, late 70s. Man stuck in war. Men in Harlem gather in front of a shop to listen to the radio, 1940. Meryl Streep in the 1970s. Michael Caine sweeping Natalie Wood off her feet, 1966. Mongolian girl enjoying life with her camel. Mother and children. Overheated cars pulled over on Queen Elizabeth Way, Toronto, 1972. Passengers aboard a Boeing 307 aircraft operated by Pan American World Airways, 1940s. Postwoman from the 1910s. Punk fashion, high mohawks, leather, studs, stressed denim. Richard Nixon meeting John McCain after coming home from being a prisoner of war in Vietnam. Rome, 1960. Sam Elliott, 1970. Shirley Temple, posing by a painting of herself as a young child, 1945. Somewhere in Time, Jane Seymour and Christopher Reeve. Staff at a burger chef, circa 1975. Sting giving his autograph to a teenage Gwen Stefani, 1983. Students at beauty school learning eyebrow and makeup techniques, 1940s. Susan Sarandon and David Bowie. The Statue of Liberty just arrived in New York City, 1885. This farmhouse once stood in Manhattan, where 84th Street and Broadway now cross, 1879. This is how dentistry was done at home in the 1920s. This mysterious 7-headed petroglyph originates from Circassia in Russia and dates back to around 5000 BC. This picture of New York in 1933 looks like it's from the 2070s. Traffic officer operating a mechanical traffic signal, Philadelphia, 1922. Two women talking to each other from an upper story of an apartment building in New York City. US Sergeant Frank Szyborski eats a turkey leg on Thanksgiving in Italy, 1944. Until 1956, French children were served wine with their school lunch. US Army recruit gets sized for his uniform at Fort Bragg, North Carolina, 1942. US Marines refill their canteens on Saipan, June 1944. Walt Disney when he was 29. When you have a suspended license but still want to go out on the town. Wild Bill Hickok, 1870s. Wilt Chamberlain at 17 in 1954. Woman pulling a canal boat, Holland, 1910. Women's bathing suits in the early 1900s. World Fair in New York in 1939. Young baker in front of the oven, Netherlands, 1933.